Welcome to FMI STEM Academy. We're celebrating the nation's 250th anniversary. You'll go to student resource page, and here you'll find your coaches. And for your math courses, you'll click here and you'll find all your math courses. You scroll through and find the one that you're signed up for. Let's say you're signed up for, let's say, level 8. Then you're going to start here, clicking the unit. It will take you here to unit 1, and you'll start your assignments. This will be unit 1, problem number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9. And we're going to label them just that way: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all the way to 1.9. This will be a quiz. Once you have taken your quiz, you're going to do a share screen and share your results. For the levels, we're expecting your quizzes to be at a 100, so you can continue to do this until you get a 100. I suggest that you take notes so you'll be ready for the exam at the end. So let's go back to the course pace. And let's say you finish with the practices here. We just got through doing a practice here. There's about 30 of them on this page. So those are all little practices here. Those are your quizzes, little lightnings. And then finally there's one test here. And then you're going to click the test. Now, the test, you will need to schedule to take the test. How do you schedule to take the test? Let's go back to student resources. First, you want to see if anyone's scheduled on a day and time that you want to take the test. So let's say you want to take the test on Tuesday, which will be the 18th. So we're going to look here, and we see that the 17th, only Sensei is scheduled. So there is room. So no one's scheduled other than Sensei on the 17th. So we're going to go back and schedule testing. So you're going to put your name here. And the subject, I'm doing level 8, and that's math. And this is chapter 1 test. And the date that I want to take it will be 08 on the 18th. Let's see, 1/8, and that's 2026. And the testing station. Oh, what time do I want to take it? Let's say I want to take my test at 9 o'clock. I'll click, oh, testing stations. Let's just say test station 1. And let's say 9 o'clock. That's if I want 30 minutes. Now, if I want an hour to take the test, I'll click the next one. I can go from 9 till 10 o'clock. And then I submit. Once that's submitted, I am now on the schedule. So let's go back to FMI STEM Academy and look at the scheduling. And you see that now I am scheduled for, oh, someone's done calculus for me. Okay, I'm scheduled for calculus and station 1. And the time will be from 9 to about 10 o'clock. So that'll be my spot right there. Okay, let's go for another course. Let's go for algebra. No, let's go for geometry. So geometry, let's say unit 1. Every time I do an exercise right here, I'm going to do a share screen. These are quizzes. Once I finish a quiz, I'll do a share screen. But here, when I want to do a test on unit 1 for geometry, I need to go back here and schedule a time for that. So I'll say Sensei again, Sensei, and this is geometry. And this is Unit 1. And let's say I want to take this on the 20th. So let's say 08 the 20th, 2026. And testing station, say testing station 1. And let's say I want to do this one at 10 o'clock. Okay, I only need 30 minutes, so that'll be the only one I'll check. And I will submit that. And now I can check on my submission. And I'm ready here for geometry. And yep, that's the only geometry from 10 to 3.